So hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be creating this horse jumping. Oh wow, a horse jumping. What's a horse jumping? Sorry about that. So yeah, let's just muck it ourselves, homies. Yeah, I am close to my loveliers. Sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. So we're going to just use Scratchy as an example. We're going to be changing this later, so actually this video is going to be called how to make a character jump, not a horse, because I'm out of money, homies. So let's just scrap here when gun flag is clicked. For wait 1 second. Such costume. Sorry, next costume. Then wait 1 second. Then you have to go here. Here. Let's do it. Let's just make Scratch go. Go Scratch, go! Go Scratchy, go! Go Scratchy, go! Go Scratchy, go Scratchy, go Scratchy, go! Go! Run! What we're doing is duplicating the sprite and moving him. Duplicating the costume and moving him. There's the point where we have to make him jump, so let's just do like this. Make him jump like this. Let's just ungroup. Just make him scared. With duplicates. I don't accept duplicates. He's thinking he's going to hurt himself, so that's why we are going to do that. Darkness, my old friend. Sorry about that. I do not have a good editor. Darkness, my old friend. Okay, we are going to go there. Homies. We're going to go to yep, sorry. Let's go. Just think he's scared. And okay. That's good, boys. Run, Scratchy, run. So let's maybe do 0.1 to do a faster. We move this will look like. Whoa. It looks like Scratchy is going. Okay, you can add a horse. I did not add a horse just for the example. This is a physics thing. It's called tumbling, jumping, and jumping again. that is called. I don't know about that, guys. So let's quit up for today and bye.